Two-factor authentication, not working on current banking app fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the current banking app, don't worry, this is a common but easy to solve issue. Most of the time, the problem comes down to timing, network settings or app data. Current's two-factor authentication adds a powerful layer of security to protect your money and identity. But if your codes are failing or not showing up, there's a reason and a fix. Start by checking your phone's clock. Go into your settings and turn on set time automatically. This ensures your device stays perfectly synced with current servers. Even being a few seconds off can cause the codes to be rejected. If you use an authenticator app, open it and make sure it syncs to the correct time. Apps like Google Authenticator often have an option to sync time for codes, which instantly fixes invalid or expired tokens. If you're using some codes and they're not arriving, try disabling your PIN, switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggling airplane mode. Some mobile carriers filter out automated login messages if your signal or routing looks suspicious. You should also update your current app to the latest version. Outdated apps can have trouble connecting to authentication servers. If you've changed your phone or number recently, your old two-factor settings might be out of sync. Tap Can't Access Two-Factor on the login screen and follow the guided steps to reset your verification method. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling current can also help fix persistent login bugs. Once you've synced your time, updated your app and refreshed your connection, your two-factor authentication should start working again. Remember, this small extra step is what keeps your financial data safe, and with these easy fixes, you'll be back in your current account in no time.